It's going.
Alright, so today we're going to try to finish up the trunk and wing installation on Kiran's car. Bought another trunk
Why?
because he didn't want to put holes in his own trunk. And the actual wing and the trunk was for sale together. So we got the trunk painted up to his color because it used to be on an M2 CSR, so with that baby blue color. Inside really doesn't matter, but it is going to be outside. It looks pretty darn good. So we got the actual carbon wing. And we're back. So putting this spectacular, beautiful carbon wing on. It's like so light it's not even funny. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, beautiful.
Sexy.
Sexy it is. So we're gonna put the uprights on it. And once the uprights are on, then I'll put this bad boy back on.
What's that? Is that for that?
That's for the just a moment.
So these bad boys are going on.
Yeah, I need a video of the chill out too.
So is Matt and Chris. You guys are awesome. Yeah. No.
They're, they are camera shy.
I was busy.
Chris is hiding. He's been on videos, so.
Remember, we know where you live. And we have no problem finding you. Look at that. Pretty. They feel it. Feels like feathers.
Oh, we have to make one
Like
of
the
those
guy said,
videos.
Akabon Paba. Akabon Paba. Yeah, or Paba Paba. That's really super light. Like, it is so light that this is how,
Floating in the air.
Look at that.
Oh.
Aerodynamic. Awesome. Okay. Alright, so this is screws going on the outside. So there's so many British actors on American television and movies and all that kind of stuff. That
Why you're not closing the hood? I mean the trunk. Because then you cannot get to those.
correct. If you want me to, you want to get in the trunk and then you can do this. It sounds pretty good. Or we can just call.
I mean, I can fit in
We can
this.
call for the trunk monkey.
This is
Trunk
not
monkey?
an Elise.
It is not an Eli's. Yes.
I can
That
fit
is
in
correct.
this. There's Chris. What is he doing? See, he's playing probably. He's playing some game. Yep. Busted. Chris, what are you doing? Uh-huh. Okay, say that again. Chris, what are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Hilarious. Yeah, he's reading a book.
Sweet. Hold that side, though. Here's two screws. I think it was in the middle. Huh?
Oh, let's put the front one first. See the airflow is going right there? The color match? Yeah.
Hells yeah.
Put it in, put those down. Yeah, probably.
Did the body shop match it?
Yeah, body shop painted
Oh,
it.
nice.
Just can't remember which one was in or the other.
Tommy said don't touch the pump, so I'm not. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Match this middle hole.
Large tools for the proper job. Look at that. Look at this magic. And it's just boop, and that's it. Oh, hold on. That ain't going nowhere.
No, you have to
That
say.
ain't going
No, you have
nowhere.
to say Wang.
Wang install.